Wasn't that bad, didn't get that wet. What I look like. Oh my goodness.
This is ride number 2 at Universal.
It'll be relaxing.
Yeah, it's a nice relaxing ride.
We could have all fit into one.
Yeah, that's
Look at that.
The ride can't be rough at times, so stay seated and please do not reach beyond the cables. Be sure your belongings are...
I'm literally there right in my eyes.
Is like one of my favorites.
Yes,
he's huge.
Like it's really there.
And he has like leaves in his hair.
Yeah.
Like
There's one like just right down this way. You're like we're all in a circle and you're going down spinning. And then maybe get lunch after.
No,
Ponchos.
wait, does that one soak you?
I don't know.
Yes, it's the rabbit.
Well, you're on a circle, so we don't know who's gonna get wet.
I don't care because it's hot right now. I'll dry off. Okay. We're going to a water ride. Literally everyone that's getting off of this ride looks like they're freaking soaked. I am very scared. Oh my god! Why is that there?
I don't know. Freaking smashed my hand like me put my stomach on it.
Big cheese, everybody.
Jeez, I just broke my hand. But it like caught it right there.
Okay, we're gonna see you after because I'm hiding my camera. Bye.
Kyrene, it wasn't that bad. You'd have been good.
We didn't even get wet.
Didn't get wet at all.
Didn't get wet.
No.
We didn't even get wet. What are you guys talking about?
It literally went right on top of me and Sean, just like I was drowning under there.
I was sitting by a stranger. I was sitting by a stranger and I was like all like trying to hide it.
I think my eyelashes are straightened out.
Wasn't that bad. Didn't get that wet. What I look like. Oh my goodness.
I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the water went literally right over our heads. I'm pretty sure I drank some of it.
I saved you. I protected you with my life.
He did, but it just, we both died. We're going on the Minion.
You chops. I'm not chops.
I like the overcast.
Yeah, it keeps things a little cool.
Got a little sprinkle. We're going to see Spongebob. Okay, look at the color of this one. Yes.
What's it gonna be?
SpongeBob. Holy. Sean just found the best place in here because he's been looking for these. And we haven't been able to find these for like, it's probably been a year since we bought. But we bought one of these in Chicago and we haven't seen them since.
What is it? Ready to cheer? Gonna be the same thing. Gonna be this. Oh, he's cute. I'll take him.
It's the little one with the snow cone. Look, he has his little teddy bear.
Hey, at least we didn't get another different one.
I know, right?
You're lucky you got two different ones. I think the zombie one is cool.
That's like the one I'd probably not want the most.
Okay. Yeah, Kyrie will have it.
I'll take it.
What is he?
He's in a little suit.
Oh, it's the Staying Alive!
Oh yeah, the disco dance.
It's the Staying Alive one. That one's cute. And there's his set. That's
At
a
least
start.
they're all
There's no
different.
duplicates.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
We're getting donuts now.
So yummy.
I'm
More
getting
sugar. What'd you get?
What'd you get?
We got Fat Old Lady.
Well, kind of looks so
Stinky
buff right
Fruit.
now.
And gypsum. Nice.
It's like great bars.
Children get that way.
They brought us to Wawa because they love it here. They said, when we're here, we're going to eat different places, nothing we have at home. And then they ate at Wawa 10 times.
We don't have it at home.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good prank.
Good prank.
Good noise.
Wait, did you see the prank on Karin?
No?
Oh my god.
It was like, who's the guy behind you? She turned and put it on her back.
You guys can't do things without informing
Recording?
the director.
That's true.
This is going to be a fat bill.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fat bill,
Yeah,
but
fat
probably
bill.
not fatter than the one when we checked out our tickets for Universal French fries.
Nothing's fatter than that bill. Here's my Wawa.
Mac and cheese one?
I don't know what I got. We just saw it, and it's a panini with mac and cheese. This is messy, but okay. Second day at ESPN, and it's day one that we're going to Worlds. We got to sleep in today because the performances we want to see don't start till 3. We got to go through security first. Okay, we're trying bao buns with Aiden.
Yummy.
And Sean's getting his grilled cheese again. There's a break in the competition. You can start eating it. So we had to come out here to get food. It's literally packed in there. It's at capacity. I've never heard them say that it's at capacity before. They're not letting more people in. But I needed to get food and stuff. It's 4:53. So we're going to get our food, take it into the arena, and try to sit in the middle. That's going to be very hard.
Three hours later.
10:30. Okay, it's like, what time is it? 11?
It's 11:03.
It's 11:05,
Try to get.
and we're at a food truck place.
I'm a little tired. I could do a shower.
Oh. He could do a shower. He could do a
I
shower.
could use a shower.
Yeah.
Use a shower.
I could use a shower. Yeah.
Yeah, we're sweating like crazy.
It was so humid out there.
Yeah.
They just got back from basketball game.
We won. I think it's like 6-0. We won, me and Sean.
Thought we were on the opposite teams.
No. Well, if we were on the opposite teams, then that means I won.
Here's the food truck place. There's like a lot. It's like rows and rows of food trucks. There are so many trucks here. So many. Like, we didn't even look at them all because there's so many. Oh, oh my god!
Did you get that on video?
Just torn my ACL.
It's Gorgina.
Isn't it so beautiful?
Yes. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah. Did you buy a snow cone? I mean, a shake?
No, I'm too full. I think we'll settle up good.
The ramen, I've never had Beria ramen. It was so good from this place though.
El Ricón de Pollo Pinto. How was that Spanish?
Good night.
Good night.